your phone is very clear. Guys, it's Maro here. We are just enjoying some beautiful moments here before we travel to South America. But we are excited and we are grateful to God for everything. Hey, Mura, pata soda.
Pata soda, pata soda. Unachukua soda. Party. Yes, I'm just.
I am okay here.
Party. Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to today's vlog, and I thank God for the gift of life. I thank God for everything. And today it's a bright morning, you can see, which God have granted us. And guys, today these videos are very, very special, so don't miss today's vlog. Wow, you can look at this papaya, guys. It's growing good and natural to be here. So guys, today's videos, it's all about positivities, and in case you miss these videos, watch later. So I think, oh, there's some fish here, guys. This is the last day maybe with my uncle, but as people like Tiriva, Masubo, and I myself, and also a part of the family, we remained here taking care maybe of the fish pond, taking care of the, we calling the garden, taking care of the horses, and also we make sure that the properties of my uncle are in a good way. So let me go this way and see what is going on, guys. Oh, look at that views. And I hope maybe other people will miss Villa Menjanin, but soon we'll be here. So let's go. Hey. And this tree is growing so big, and it's have some cold shade. This one here. So today we try to park our motorbike here, and I'll have a small party. So I have one of my friend here. Mungu moja nani?
Wewe unakimbiza kuku unapiga content.
Iko na ifukuza.
Hujaingiza kuku humo ndani upigie content.
Ni nyingi.
Guys, I told this guy, you know, sometimes be crazy in our village here. Someone everything be content. So sometimes you can took a chicken from outside, you put him, then you start to run with him to make a content.
Mayugo, how can I go and take a chicken and put inside the house?
Yeah, you know I'm here security.
So me, I found the chicken inside the house. Nimeifukuza, maybe inaweza kupupu kwa viti.
Oh.
Yeah. You know that chair is special, Mayugo. Maybe.
You know,
it's
lock.
lock.
Yeah, you make drama in the window.
No, you see the chairs. So that's the reason why I chase the.
You make drama outside in the window, my friend. No. Don't make drama in the window.
No.
Me, I don't have a stomach. I'm a 60-pack. Let me show you. I'm a 60-pack.
I know my. Even me, I'm 60-pack.
This is a 60-pack reel. This one. Stomach like a like you sleep with Salim Dion. How are you, my friend?
I'm good, my.
Good morning.
Morning.
Morning routine.
Morning routine.
Yeah, morning routine.
You know today is a big day.
Not big day only. Today is a different day because it is the day emotional with happiness the same time.
I will miss my.
You will be emotional.
Yes.
Be careful. You know you have other fake tooth. So when you will be emotional, you can eat your tooth automatically. Be careful. Unaweza ukatafuna meno yako hiyo mbaya sana. So kama kinu ujue una hizo plastiki meno. Zikajitafuna.
Guys, I have my plastic teeth. This one here, these two.
Yeah, these guys are really you have the door of the
Sintakura maini.
Kuna mlango wa mbinguni.
Si kama
You have the door and mine is window, not door, my friend.
Sintakura maini. Yes, guys, I'm telling my you now eat lungs and also kill it.
Yeah.
Soft.
Exactly, 100%. That is the reality. Yes.
So even me, I will miss my uncle.
Your uncle? Marwa is your uncle?
Serious?
Where?
Hey.
This guy told me. Sometimes told me, Mayugno, we want to do a picture with you. Hey, I see these people like a rich.
Done.
So he said to me, told me, we will buy for you a mandazi. I come there crying his camera. Then he disappear.
Is it Masuba? Is not
You.
me.
Masuba.
Gake is the one who started YouTube. It's not me.
Also you.
Me,
You were the part of this. You told me, oh, Mayugno, I see you in the video. Hey, when I feel like this guy boy is a
rich,
smart boy, and they see me in the video, I say, wait, life is not vegetable. Right now, it cheat me. Maro is his uncle. And before he was come here, I told him no. I need a white official. It will be like a Villa Medellin.
Anataka mzungu awe mweupe kama hapa. So why you know like how do you feel like now boss is almost dead?
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Stop cry. So right
Okay. Okay, man. And sometime, man. Sometime. I'm telling you sometime. But you know, he was a comedian sometime. So it's long time, guys, without met with Mayuguno, but maybe in terms of videos. But for now, look, that's the uniform. Wow. They are chilling here. Wow. So let's go and check Rio. Guys, today is today, not other day like this. And technically we have the goat here. Say me for the last time. me only for the last time. So today we want to celebrate, and actually this will be our part of the party. We slaughter this, and then we celebrate, and then we said goodbye, Mr. and Mrs. Rossio and Mr. Marwa. Goodbye. I wish you a nice traveling to Argentina. So today we slaughter this goat here. Serious? So let me see Mr. Gaki. You know, it's good maybe to see. And a part of argue with Mayuguno, he's just making a crazy jokes sometimes, you know. So me, I'm always understanding Mayuguno, you know. So I want to see Mr. Gake and to see the schedule of the work for today. I'm telling you guys, it's early morning and I was supposed to look for the firewood. Mr. Gake, kana makuni yako wapi tupasu? Yeah? We have to let the shock. So I'm telling Mr. Gake, we must to collect firewood at the Ingazi. Okay. So you can see Mr. Gake collecting firewood.
Some firewood for maybe to split.
Yes, we want to split, and then when things are ready, like this one. Yes. It work. Hey. So guys, we tried to look for the firewood. I can't talk to him minon. Yes. So today we wanna create a soup. A special soup. Kuni zilikuwaga humu nyingi. We try to look a good soup. Guys, sorry for the music. There's one guy cleaning the house for the rabbits. So let's move on. Mayuguna, you kill me. You have another idea? Me, I'm collecting firewood. Okay. Oh. Sasa utaleta shoka tupaswe kama kuna mikubwa mikubwa. Wow. So here. But you know hapa ndo utakunywa soup. So here guys, we try to prepare everything and we make sure hata hii sipasuliwa masupu. Imba. Wow guys. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming and we shall see what we can do. So guys, I want to split the firewood there. So as I told you, Mr. Gaki went to look for the axe, or in Swahili called shoka, to split the firewood here. Don't kill insect. we have a Chinese knife.
Later. This one is biting me.
Watch. So this is shoka, guys. I want to split firewood here. I'm telling you. Wah! Let's see. So unajua hizi kubwa tunaacha. Je, Mr. Gaki hata let me see. Mr. Rabbit.
Don't call rabbit out. That's not a camel.
When you want to call a rabbit, it's like that. Even the guinea and a dove.
And
Cat.
A cat.
Meow. Okay, Mawira, hold for me a camera. You know there is some firewood you want to split here. Like this one, let's try.
No, it's just rotten. So danganya tiko na nguvu sana. So kuna vile ni kimoda. Guys, do not be lie. This firewood is rotten. It's rotten.
Now I'm strong enough. Even this one.
That one is rotten.
This one.
Yeah.
This one is
you want to do it once.
You see? Me, I'm telling you. I hope utakuwa nishika pot.
Umeniachia kamera juu umeniaminia nitakurekodi vizuri bro.
It's rotten.
Yeah.
You see? Oh, here.
Guys, you see it is rotten. See, look at them. Then
Oh, yeah, I'm telling you. Let you see. Even this one. The finish.
nachunga kuna misumari hiyo.
Niona. Hii kivuki kupia kwa mba kwa mbuki. Hey. Today. So we prepare for the soup.
We're preparing for the soup and we haven't even slaughtered the goat.
So you know you must have the firewood. Oh my god. You have the firewood ready. And then we sharpen the knife.
The knives have already been sharpened.
And it's doing nice. It's time to go.
Now that's the real firewood now.
This one.
Yeah, that's now the real one.
Sometime kama huu. Mawira.
That's the real one.
No. This one.
No. No, Harubibi. Rudisha hapo, piga hii kitu pasua. Si ulikuwa unaonyesha vile ni master.
Guys, made this one.
Let me show you how it is done.
Split.
Let me show you how it is done, bro.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I want to see Mawira.
That's why I was recording.
Okay. You try that one.
Just need a technique, okay? Okay? Technique only. Just a
You see?
Just a simple technique.
Lakini ndo utapaswa ingine.
Sasa hii unafanya namna this. You do like this.
Asupaswa hizo mbili.
Jiko. May I know barbecue you can build a house. Then barbecue is the house the same.
No.
Kumbe ni jiko.
Sasa unaweza mjengea ile
Huyu jamaa angenifunga jela jamaa.
He will jail you.
He will jail me because I never know what I'm going to build it. Oh, angeniambia in Swahili.
Yeah.
Going to twende nisome jenge sehemu ya kuchomea nyama.
Jiko ya kuchoma nyama.
Yeah. Si uniambie barbecue. I never know barbecue.
You never know barbecue.
Yeah.
Mayugu.
Guys, is our first comedian over here, the village guy.
And then Uncle Mo.
Full of vibes.
Yeah, this is a full of Uncle Mo is Jamaica. Jamaica enjoy progress.
Yeah, and guys,
Mayugu, ndio tuende create story na wewe.
Nimechoka. I'm tired.
Kama I ask you 2 questions.
Yeah,
Kwa sababu hapo.
Question is good.
Ndio kwa jua hapa Mayugu. You know guys,
Ask me for the relationship I can
No.
Mbinguni be romantic
No.
angel. I don't like that. Yeah, you can be, you can die right now about love, and Mbinguni you will be, God give you be angel romantic.
You know
it's not good even anyway.
you know me, I wonder, what about, right now, Mrs. Rossio, she was pregnant.
Yeah.
What about their baby, who is coming soon?
Baby, even Maro will born Jeep.
What?
Ile gari Jeep.
Yani mwanangu akisema this is my new baby, subscribe to my channel of my new baby. What?
Not subscribe to my new baby. Subscribe to Chawa of my new baby. Mayugno first, then he's go to baby. Because mimi nitamlea yule mtoto, I will carry them. I'm the first guy. Mimi ndo nitakuwa yani mbeleko of these children. You know, mimi ndo mbeleko clinic, everything I know how he service, Yeah, I'm the first. Even this children after born him, I will be the first guy, Mimi ndo nitakuwa yani namjua huyu mtoto amepiga mswaki, bado itakuwa hana meno. Yeah. Unajua anaweza kazaliwa na meno. Huwezi jua because he's a YouTuber.
Hey, I'm telling you, Maro is going to get a superstar.
Not superstar.
And me, for me guys, I'm praying.
Super. Mwezi inaitwaje?
Mwezi. Man, mwezi.
Mwezi mbele mwezi.
Moon.
Yeah, Maro is going to born super moon.
And me,
not superstar. Star is small. Star unajua ni zile hizo ndogo ndogo. So atazamba la mwezi ile kubwa sasa. Yeah, moon.
me, I think maybe when God blessed Mara, maybe to get a boy.
His boy, not to get a boy.
Guys,
I'm already dreaming.
Guys, I'm dreaming Mara to get a boy. And then
he's a boy, and we pray every single day.
At least when Mara get the firstborn to be a boy, at least we play with that boy here. Even
told me there is a day I was praying at my home there. And the children kicked him stomach.
Me, I'm saying that's a boy.
Because I was praying. Nilikuwa naomba mtoto anamugonga tumbo.
Guys, today we are talking with Mayugno here.
Yeah.
So I wish you Mrs. and Mr. Mara and Mrs. Ro Cabrera.
Yeah.
When Ro Cabrera gets a bat.
Ro Cabrera, superstar musician.
When she get a bat, guys, me, I'm praying to be a boy. Yeah. To be a boy, automatically,
yes,
we're supposed
people
to be
is run here with machete,
slaughtering
guys.
goat there. Me, because Mayugno.
Angoma have a hard heart.
Yes.
And a wrong ngumu jameni.
You know Mayugno. When Maro maybe the first kid to be a boy, at least you can play with that boy here, maybe football.
You can't play me because you have a big stomach right now. How you can play football?
Okay, guys. So for now, guys, today I'm standing at my uncle's place, technically. And then after all, when he came from Argentina, guys, me I must to see a boy, and I'm feeling so happy. Yes, congratulations. You know, a child is a child, but for this family, we're supposed to have a boy. A superstar.
Like a god, you plan.
Yeah?
Boy.
No, me I'm praying to God. First kid to be a boy.
You start to pray today because of content, but me,
No.
I will pray before.
You know,
I have already know he's a boy.
Mayugno, let me tell you. You know, in this world, we use things we call psychology.
Psychology.
Yes. Me,
The people
me,
don't
me,
have a full tooth. You can't use psychology.
me I see.
Wewe uni mapengo na yutumiaje psychology bwana? Wewe mtu mapengo unatumiaje psychology?
Psychology. You have things called thinking capacity. Unaweza fikiria
You are a door of heaven. Wewe ni mlango huko mbinguni.
guys, door of heaven means gaps.
Gake, mtu mapengo anawezaje kafikiria psychology? You can't think in psychology. You affect your honeymoon.
Honeymoon.
Wewe una affect your honeymoon.
So guys, today Uncle Mo and Grandpa, they are slaughtering the goat
Go in to uploading my video
inside the house.
Yeah,
You go.
inside the house.
You go. You know you are the one who built this house. You go.
Yeah, I'm an engineer. And I'm not
But Mayugno here we put
Professional.
but here we put stop. Utazunguka.
Don't mind. I'm here. That's
Guys,
why I'm recording.
One day we will stand me and Mr. Gaki and Mayugno. We create a story, guys. We came from
And you
far.
told me before Maro is your uncle.
We came from far. Tell me the story. We came from far with Mayugno. Guys, imagine. Me, I came here. I doesn't know about YouTube. It's only Mr. Gaki, no? And I'm a bodyguard to Mr. Gaki. And then I brought me.
I remember.
You remember? So one day, guys.
I was recording.
Yes, we create a story with me, Mayugno, and Mr. Gaki. How we came from far. Guys, I want to show how they slaughter the goat. I hope the blood have already sprinkled out. So I'm supposed to show you a little bit. So I want to show you a little bit, guys, a little bit. Whew. I want to show you blood. Kuna damu. Guys, this one. Malaika. Rio. Guys, you have Malaika here and Leo. Rio, Baba. It's grazing over here. So, we're supposed to dry the maize. And at the same time today, guys, it's party to party. Party to party. I'm telling you, this is the last time with my uncle over here. Last day. Right. So guys, it's time to anikia mahindi. Kidogo tu mama. Yeah, kidogo is, I mean, it's okay. Let's go.
So guys, we want to. This is how you make sure like the
To
maize.
dried maize
Dry maize.
in the sun.
Socks off. You can stand in this position because of the sun.
You know that bag it has some paper inside, and then it's treat. So no weevils go inside.
Not even weevils.
Yes.
Even when it is like this, like it's very hard for the maize to get some cold, because when the bag of maize is on the floor, it can get some cold. Then it start having those developing like molds. Yeah.
Okay, you take this one.
I'll maybe stand on this position. Then the sun is gonna be direct.
Yeah, you know. Gen Z, Migori County Gen Z. I'm telling you guys.
That's amazing thing.
Okay. Unaweza save.
Unakata tu.
Pause. Guys, look, the game fun are coming on lines. Look, there's a game fun. Look. They're going in lines, guys. So because they see the maize here, and Mr. Gaki, you're supposed to take 3 and malaika tuende mnaziende moja kwa moja. Shika. Zinafaa kufungiwa. Zifungiwa. Pia iroli. Etirata kidogo. Sasa ile sio kazi ngumu, na zihiga lakini vile sai malaika unajua. Pablo. You're hungry. No, I'm Gen Z. Me, I roll. Well, guys, so for now, I took enough breath, so I'm on the other side. But we came here. We did congrats Dad, so we're supposed to go back. So actually we're in deep village in Tanzania, guys. So first time I was been here, and I just chill, see the things the way they are here. So we're supposed over here is where they cut and give cows some napier grass, maize, cobweb, and also over here, this is the kind of Tanzanian people shop with banana, guys. Look, you can see it's long, guys. You can tell in the comment section, guys. Look, it's really shocked me. So we have so many of them within here. So after this, guys, we go to continue with our party, guys. Officially party, man. So we're supposed to be here, and I must show you the way things they are. And actually, guys, I'm in other country, Tanzania. So this one is not my village, guys. You can see and tell in the comment section. Look, so that's the maize corn, and this is how they fenced by using this stones fence over here. Wow. Hey, you can see, and also tell in the comment section, guys. This banana, it really shocked me, guys. Look, it's around 4 feet, man. Look. And we have like 30 branches of banana, guys. Wow. Even this one, look, guys. Wow, guys, so stay tuned until when I'm going to continue with our party. But this video is a part of the videos for today, guys. Wow. Finally, guys, we're back from our journey. We're back, guys. So I want to go down there to see our work for today. Yeah. So guys, I'm heading this way and I'm supposed to check my motorbike outside. So we continue with our work for today, and you know, like we went outside, we conquered Dad, and then this is our time we came back. But I hope, you know, when I went, guys, the tires got a punch. Serious. And I'm telling you the reality. So I think soon I'll try to renovate my motorbike, guys. So guys, stay tuned, more amazing videos coming, but I'm heading down there. Tulichinja mbuzi. Woo! Look the shoes, and it's trying to remind me during the party, but this is the next party. So I'm supposed to put my shoes here. You see, guys. Nani? It's so beautiful. Nani? Nani? Menda Jew. Say hello. Dear Menda Jew. Wow, guys. So, me, I'm just here. So we celebrate together. You can see the number of people. Msichana, nikusaidie.
Hey guys.
Next party, I'm strong. I'm standing here. You see the shoes? So we use one door.
You use
one door.
Hello baby. Hello baby is rocking me, guys. Hi guys, welcome to
You wear a combat.
I'm Jeshi. Today I'm Jeshi for here. I'm bodyguard for the gate here. So when you disappear, coffee. When you get problem, coffee. When you get problem, so you see like I'm full combat.
I'm security.
Yeah, to the security, like you see, combat Jeshi is here. Yeah. Okay. So hello baby, say yes for someone. Say yes for someone.
You say hello and then we enter.
Yeah.
Hello, baby.
Yeah. Hello
baby.
Yeah.
How did you come up with that name, hello, baby?
Yeah, welcome.
You ask
Hello,
my
baby.
fan.
Oh, you know that time. Hello, baby.
Welcome
Your story
to
is long, by Thank the you. way.
The heaven.
That time, hello, baby hasn't having this. So it was like, that time you were really okay.
Chana ki Nigeria.
That time you were good.
Yeah.
You know, right now you're changing really, really
Why?
big. That time you were looking like yo.
Yeah.
This life. Okay,
Big
YouTube,
boss.
wewe.
Yo.
You know,
You
today,
remember
hello,
where you
baby
come
is
from?
one
Yo.
like this.
Today, hello, baby has a big,
Yeah.
big stomach.
Even
Big
you have
stomach.
big stomach.
Me no.
Sasa kama unaenda kwa gym,
I'm what?
unaenda gym.
Fit. For fitness.
Because we want to keep fit.
Oh.
When you go to the gym, you go to the gym to keep fit.
Evil
So in case somebody wants to beat you, even you can beat.
you can even go and fit.
Si hata
You keep your
mimi
fit.
napigana.
Make your chest broaden up so that
And also become fit.
yeah.
But hello, baby, you are.
Kitambi imeisha jamani. Kimeisha watu wamesema kimeisha.
Wacha kuingiza ndani utaumiza tumbo wewe.
Unarudisha tu ndani.
Yeah, this is hello baby. And
Amboke
I'm
here,
okay.
guys.
I am Paris, mama.
Hello?
Paris.
I'm Paris.
Okay,
Guys,
it's time to eat
Guys, this,
twende.
yeah.
Nikula lunch.
No, I want to take my bag, my pochinene.
Live from Villa, Medellin.
Yes. How are you?
Cheers.
Yes. Cheers.
Acha niwaambie. Afu guys, you know it's party time. And everybody's supposed to have everything here. This is my coke, guys. But I know most of the time I don't like to take sugary food. Kisumu membete mungie ndani. Mara ngambiri kui nyumba. So, guys, at the same time, there is one people doing broadcasting here. No problem, guys. Me, I'm telling you in the morning, what? It's party time. And then you say goodbye to my uncle. So because he went to Argentina for the wedding show. Woo! Me have authority. Is it to eat? Lady first.
Thanks for your time. You know, I just told them.
Oh.
I had a date with so I was like, you know, before you leave, but thanks. Thank you.
Mura twandu kule. It's time to eat.
Well, you know, donation ya man.
Donation ya man.
This guy has
Water samba.
This guy.
Yes,
I'm Sintake. We've been finishing. Go check me out. And big brand Damn Dogs. My little brother started plating his hair. You can see your hair.
Yes. Thank you, guys. It's time to eat. Rosie is here, guys.
Yes, let's go.
You know she's
Yes, it's time to eat.
Okay.
Yes, you know.
People is inside or?
Yes. So me, guys, my work is to call people. Can I camera and I record? Party. Yes, I'm just.
I am okay here.
Party.
Now me.
No problem. And I saw them. Amuko kwa pikipiki. Acha tuone iko kwa pikipiki. Tuende hivi mura. So guys, I'm supposed to look the shoes and gitiroma sampa nyegeti masiri kwa. So guys, the party, we have too much people and we are supposed to add soda. We go for the soda. I'm using my uncle motorbike. What? Guys, I use this one, and we're supposed to add another soda because let me check the money first. Yeah, there's money. So because we have quite a number of the people here, so we must to feed everybody. So this is the emotional goodbye to my uncle and Madam Rocio. Let's go! Boom! So this is a sporty bike. Yesterday I used it. Because my uncle trusts me a lot, so he sent me. So it's supposed to go. So we go, and we're just over here with Pablo Jr.
Right. So I'm gonna take over this.
So
let's go. We're going.
So guys, this road is rough.
We're going.
Just to go to add more soda.
Yeah.
What?
I have to be extra careful.
You see the road, guys, and here you're supposed to be very careful while riding here. It's party time.
Yeah, it's time to enjoy.
Yes.
It's time to enjoy.
I'm the control, and guys, here we go with Pablo. Hey. We ride the Rocio motorbike.
It's enjoyable.
Yes. Hey. Wow. Let's see, guys. And over here, this is Uncle Mo house. Go and take him. Uncle Mo Uchimbotombe. So here we go after. Thank you, okay. All right. You see, guys. Kanambo.
Munyama.
You're so late.
The food is done?
No, the food is there. So I'm going to add more sodas.
I'm not late. I think this is the right
Kugikuri ore. Kugikuri ore. Kugikuri means you are on the right position. On the spot.
I like your style. I see
The hairstyle.
an American rapper who always like putting. Who is this guy? Now you look like
Bill Sisigilo.
no. You look like some artist here. I don't remember. If I remember, I'll tell you. But I like this big gang gangster.
What about you?
Guys, it's thug life for life. See, guys. Where? This style is so killing. See,
Mine is simple.
Wow. Mine is trying. I'm trying, man.
Okay. Tata nguchelewesha. Kugikuri ore tunaita soda.
Let's rush
Guys,
and get the sodas.
kugikuri torem. Tigatoseke.
Tuseke saka down.
Haya Mura.
Sasa nishikie hivi. Hii.
Mura. Suendesha pikipiki twende.
Kana utayango na soda chuna panto panyo so kichitame tuchatunywe.
Kana tunyitso mintana haja na soda Mura. Unini nyama eriente.
So guys, this is my hairstyle yesterday, so we're heading this way. Unitango tisimbakanyaba. Guys, sorry for the vernacular language, guys. So wewe kazi yako ni kumulika hivi.
Msha tuende haraka na ile nyama bana ikaisha.
Eh.
Tuwai pia. Tuwai kurudi.
Pablo, show the keys of Goti here. Goti Matata. Hey, technically guys, this road is very, very bad. Look, go. Hey. But you must be very careful.
Alright guys. Alright.
Boom.
The other Victor said that we are enjoying the star life.
That's starlight.
Star life.
Here we go.
Like everything is boom.
Boom.
Boom. What's that? Oh, it's really amazing, man. Let's go.
Just over here, guys. You see, the guy is hiding on the bush. Wow. Look the view of my village. Hey. Don't call it. So here we go. So the motorbike needs to change the gear. Hey. Right. Let's go. Sing this. You see guys, our village is building everywhere material. Hey. Day of 2024. Just outside Pablo Jr. We outside, man. So guys, this is Rocio motorbike. I'm riding. I'm handling care. So the motorbike needs to change the gear. Hey. Look guys. Auoni takugonga makende. I'm telling you, there's some kids you don't see. Supposed to go. So guys, finally, we're in Yabohansi. The what? Feel, man. Ishike hivi nimepiga. Kazi yako ni kutupaa kwa soda.
Wewe tuende bana.
Finally, guys, so show me. Twende. I know. So guys are supposed to purchase soda here. Odi? Soda, auntie. Odi. Soda means soda. This one over here. And I supposed to purchase 1 crate which have been mixable. Tumechanganya soda. Nipate basi kreti moja lakini nitakurudisha kreti jioni. Ama Gitiriba atarudisha sura mjue. Yes, tarudisha sasa. Kabla current hata ziwe nyingi kidogo. Hata kama 6 hivi joto anapenda black current. Hapo zimetosha. Hivi. Kwa hiyo tena change right. Okay. This soda, guys, I'm telling you. So after that, you take the motorbike. Pablo, you are waiting to drink soda.
No.
You don't like to take soda.
I love water a lot.
Team viewer.
Yeah, always to
Pablo,
view.
nowadays you enjoy soft life.
Always yourself, you enjoy soft.
Myself, I am enjoying.
Yeah, you enjoy soft.
Okay, talk to my people.
Alright, so there is Pablo Junior, of course the junior is JNR. We really appreciate the love, the support, which you do give us enough love. That is what I do say. So thanks a lot for the love, the support. I really and literally appreciate from this end. So I'm using today actually I'm filming on a GoPro at Los Babies channel. So check me out on YouTube as Pablo Junior, and the junior is J
and I. All right, yeah. Pablo, take the crate.
All right,
and it's time to go.
The GoPro experience was so nice.
So this is the we called satellite. We have for Safaricom and Airtel.
Hey, hello baby.
Yup.
Turn the bike. Let's be first. They have finally arrived.
Okay, you go. Take inside.
Alright, they are here.
Take inside.
Let's go enjoying the vlog. Hey, what's wrong with my camera?
Okay, me I left my uncle motorbike and I'm supposed to put off.
Alright, let's go.
Okay. But okay. You fool? Hey, you have a nice shirt written The cute. Guys, let's see. Jamani.
Oh, your phone is very clear. Guys, it's Maro here. Yes, we are just enjoying some beautiful moments here before we travel to South America. But we are excited and we are grateful to God for everything. Hey, Mura, pata soda.
Soda, pata soda. You had the music, and I feel like it's my time to end my video. Thank you so much. People at hospitality here organized, and if you are positive YouTuber, you must be here and no cornering, guys. And I feel like, oh man, this is a blessed day like this. I'm supposed to end my video. And guys, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about today's videos? We celebrate. No problem. So guys, thank you so much. And I see the weather is coming, the rain is coming soon, and I'm supposed to check the maize corn. You know, Rio and Malaika, they're supposed to interfere with maize. You heard the music? So that's the rumba. Hey, Mantipata. So I think the maize is already been dried. So since morning we have been here taking care of them, and I was supposed to be there. So you heard the music, guys? Okay. We are supposed to go down that way to finish the video for today, because I'm avoided from the copyright. I don't like maybe too much of the music sometime, man. It's bring problem. So we're supposed to be here, and I know maybe most of the people will miss Villa Mendelin. Most of the people will be here interacting, especially visitors who want to come to Amaro's place. You shall be here maybe in any time. You shall receive some visitors while Marwa is outside, maybe going to Argentina. You shall be here taking care of the compound, slashing, going to the kitchen garden, everything that you see here. When my uncle go to Argentina, I'm not sure which time and date, so we're supposed to be here right after the center to make sure that everything shall be okay. When he go, maybe it took like 1 year, 2 years, maybe some month. When he came back to Africa, he found everything the way supposed to be, is on the right position. And I'm supposed to see Rio and Malaika, man. It's been a while. So right now we try to keep Rio and Malaika on the ground or on the chilling post because of the maize corn. Wow, Rio, Baba. So Rio and Malaika is just over here, and man, wow, look, Rio, Baba, Rio. This is Rio, and if you don't know, guys, that's Malaika, Rio, Baba, Rio, Baba. This is Rio. They are chilling here. Because that being said, we close here because we drank some maize, and then Malaika, Baba, Rio. This is Malaika, guys. Malaika, Rio, Baba, Rio, Baba, Rio, Baba. This is Rio and Malaika chilling over here, and maybe after the party ended, we have the small party. Maybe this week, guys, we have the party at the Congrats Mom, and also today we have the party at Ayamaro's place. This is Villa Mendelin 2024, and I suppose, man, to to update. Like we celebrated the congrats mom, and we have one of our grandma to be here and celebrate together. So today Ayamara dance celebration when he was leaving Africa. That's a big shout out to Ayamara and Rocio to invite people in the villa, guys. So I hope you will enjoy today's vlog. Thank you so much. May God bless you guys. Bye bye.